My name is Huba Boshoff and I am the technical expert for the Erasmus Plus program in South Africa. That is a position that was specifically created by the EU delegation to South Africa and the Department of Higher Education and Training to support institutions in the broader higher education ecosystem to participate in the Erasmus Plus program. The Erasmus Plus program is the EU's largest program that supports education, training and sport. And in South Africa, we are very fortunate that we already have a very good standing. I've been invited to join colleagues at DUT for 2 days for an intensive workshop on how to really apply for these instruments. In this first day, we have explored which instruments are the best. We've looked at the credit mobility, we've looked at capacity building, we've looked at joint programming, all to better understand how these programs can support and address specific needs that we see within our institutions and within our society. And in the Erasmus Plus program, we look at projects that support elements of digitalization, of climate and energy, we look at health security, we look at transport. These are all elements of the Global Gateway program that is the flagship program of the European Union to support infrastructure and cooperation with countries, specifically countries in sub-Saharan Africa. And so in this workshop, which is really a time for colleagues to come together, to work, to conceptualize, we will explore further how these instruments can address some of the challenges that colleagues at DUT see as prohibiting participation in higher education or the growth in our sector. Tomorrow, these colleagues will work very hard on developing a concept note that we will then further develop to be ready for the application that opens in November. So the Erasmus program is really an opportunity for students and staff, for researchers, to professional staff to get involved and to explore how cooperation between South Africa and Europe can strengthen our institutions on the individual level and on the system level.